Hi everyone, welcome to the road trip. Today we're going to take a closer look at a really neat car, a 1932 DeSoto Custom SC Roadster Deluxe. This is a pretty rare car and it's a pretty nice one as well. It's a little bit on the small side. It's a little bit smaller than you'd expect when you walk up to it. Let's take a look at the board here real quick. Give a little bit of backstory on the car. How many were produced. You can pause that if you'd like, just to read up on it. But this is a special car. It's actually an AACA Zenith Award finalist, which is the AACA's highest honor. And it's a really, really pretty car. Look at this unusual grille. It's kind of rounded in the front with this, I guess, winged goddess on there as a hood ornament. Leaning back like that. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Check out the DeSoto emblem there on the grille. Very nice. It's also got that same emblem on the headlights. The way it's got that chrome strip coming down the middle. And you can see right there, Zenith Award. It's got a pair of nice running lights. I'm not sure if those are DeSoto or if they're just period, with the twin horns up front. It's got a really neat looking front end, don't you think? It's definitely different. And a 32 Pennsylvania license plate. Let me walk around the side here. It's got a pair of dual side mounts with the chrome covers on it and mirrors attached to it. Let's take a look at the passenger side real quick. It's a little understated in here. Not a whole lot going on, but it's got a nice set of gauges. You can see in there. It's kind of plain in here, but it's done up very, very nice. The interior looks like it's an olive green leather with kind of a matching top, kind of like an olive greenish tan top. Nice bow there with some chrome work. You can see the colors like a two-tone burgundy, darker burgundy with a red stripe, and a little bit lighter burgundy. And the spoked wheels match that. And you can see the DeSoto written in the cap there. Very nice. This car's got a rumble seat. You can see the step up to get in the back there. Some chrome strips. I guess that's where the top rests, I would imagine, when it's down. And it's got this really nice trunk in the back, which I like a lot. Matches the color of the car. Check out these taillights. It says DeSoto on there. That's pretty neat. And the same one back here, DeSoto. Again, there's another badge indicating it's a Zenith finalist. I really like the two-tone on this car. Look how it's got a line and it swoops back alongside the rumble seat with that pinstripe. And there's that dash again. Yeah, there's not a whole lot going on in here, but it is really, really nice. Looks like everything's been addressed. Everything's probably better than new in here. Look at that mirror. It's got like a beveled edge to it. That's neat. With the wiper mechanism there. These little wing windows. And who doesn't like the suicide doors? That's nice. Check out the design on that handle. It's pretty neat. Looks like it has a lock of some sort for the side mount. How about that? DeSoto. Twin vents on the cowl. And what looks like a split windshield. That's pretty cool. I like that. Very nice. Obviously, I'm not going to open it up. I'm not going to touch it. It's on display, so we're just going to walk around it and take a closer look at it. It's a very unusual grille, don't you think? Very distinctive. And it is a smaller looking car. You'd expect it to be a little bit bigger for a 32. It's a little bit smaller than a 32 Ford, I'd say, or anything else of the era. But it is a beautiful, beautiful car. So tell me what you think. 1932 DeSoto Custom SC Roadster Deluxe. Leave your comments below. Definitely subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.